Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me and today you will see how to crochet amazing flower with seed beads. This is my own design. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook, seed beads and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. For this make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. For this make chain of 2, pull a little bit, and I'm going to make half double crochet into the ring with seed beads. Draw seed beads, yarn over the hook with seed bead, insert the hook into the ring and make half double crochet. In total it should be 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till you will get 12 half double crochet into the ring. While making my stitches, I remove long piece of yarn. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Let's complete round 1. Once I have done all my stitches, it should be 12 of them, I skip 2 chains, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. For this make a chain, make 2 single crochet into each stitch of the previous round. Make single crochet, then draw 12 seed beads. In total it should be 12 half double crochet. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Continue. Pull up the working loop, then yarn over the hook with seed beads and make chain with 12 seed beads. Pull a little bit. So I am done the picot made of 12 seed beads. So I can divide my round on 2 halves. My picot is ready. Continue. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Pull up a loop. Then single crochet into the same stitch. Well done. Then single crochet through the next stitch. Draw 12 seed beads. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make the same picot as I did before. Grab the yarn, pull it through and pull it. So my second picot is ready. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have done 2 of them, I remind you. Continue. I insert the hook into 2 loops, pull up a loop, then single crochet into the same stitch, then single crochet through the next stitch. Draw 12 seed beads. Let's count 12 seed beads and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. I have done all chain spaces or picots. In total it should be 12 of them. I remind you this is round 2. Let's complete round 2. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet. This is the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. So that's it, my round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. As you remember, they are 12 seed beads, so you should divide this round on 2 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then insert the hook into the middle. Make single crochet. My first half is ready. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please visit if you need. Make chain of 5 for the chain space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I continue working in the same way. I will skip 6 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the middle, make single crochet. Chain of 5 for the chain space. One, two, three, four, five, 6. And single crochet. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make single crochet. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete it. Let's complete round 3 together. Once I chained the last one, it was 5 chain space. Insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch, pull a little bit. Let's crochet round 4 of the flower. It's gonna be a round of petals. So my middle part of the flower is completely ready. Here how it looks. Work into the chain space, make slip stitch, make a chain, then single crochet, then chain of 2, then make 2 double crochet with picot. Make the first one, then chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the double crochet. My picot on the top of the double crochet is ready. Then double crochet with picot, make double crochet, chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into the loops of the double crochet. Then 2 treble crochet with picot. First one, chain 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the treble crochet. Then the second treble crochet into the same chain space and picot. Well done. And 2 double crochet with picot. 1 and picot. And 2. I'm crocheting faster because I repeat my pattern. Then chain of 3. Work with a slip stitch. Well done. Chain of 2. Work into the same chain space. Make single crochet. My first petal is ready. In total it should be 12 such petals. I will start the second one and you should continue with your own. Work into the next chain space. Make single crochet. Chain of 2. 2 double crochet with picots. Make the first one with picot. The second and picot. Then 2 treble crochet with picot and 2 double crochet with picot, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. You should repeat first petal till the end of this round. Then you will see how to complete this flower with me. Let's complete this flower with me. This is the last round of my flower. This is round 4. I skip the chain stitch. I insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. That's it. To secure the yarn by making a chain, and I have already cut off my yarn, turn the work to the back side and remove the yarn along the stitches using sewing needle or crochet hook. I'm gonna to use sewing needle. I will add a bead to the center of the flower. Here how it looks with bead. Let's look at the ready job. And I've added bead to the center of the flower. And my beautiful flowers are ready. Here how they look like. For example, I have done exact flower but using another color of yarn. This is the back side. You can add to any project and for any model. You can use it like a decoration or separate motif or a part of big project in Lace Technique. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time. Bye!